Are you looking for the best underwater drones? In this video we will look at some of the best underwater drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. The Gladius Mini Underwater Drone is an expert option when it comes to underwater exploration and recording. The 4K UHD camera, excellent diving abilities, and FPV viewing. Moreover, the camera has an aperture of f/3 which makes it great for darker underwater situations. The light levels can be boosted by LED lights. The advanced pilot options make cinematic videos. This mini Gladius can dive deep up to 100 m/330 foot, which makes it great for underwater drones. The 1200 lumen LED lights also include VR goggles for an immersive experience. The 1080p or 12MP camera can record videos in 4K. The 5 stabilizing propellers and a depth hold feature ensure the sharpness. Moreover, the camera settings can be controlled for better image quality. The freshwater buoyancy weight is installed as default with a seawater buoyancy. The heavier the seawater buoyancy helps the drone to sink in salty water. The battery life is up to 2 hours. The Gladius Mini has a 4K capable underwater drone that has an extended exploration range and flexible nature. The floating base gives more freedom, and built-in lights help in better capturing underwater. Number 2. Power Vision Power Ray Underwater Drone. The Power Vision Power Ray has the best underwater drone that has a sleek design, a great control system, and a high-quality 4K UHD camera. The drone has a tether cable of an ample 230 foot/70 m. The drone has a superb diving ability of 98 foot/30 m. It is one of the few drones that have FPV controls. This version has VR FPV goggles that explore underwater and record it well. The Power Ray has a 4K UHD camera and can shoot 12MP that can fire 5 FPS bursts. It has a 64GB SD card and can take plenty of pictures. This drone can be used for marine research and can locate fish. This makes the fishing experience fun. This 4K video has 1080p streaming to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. The multiple control options make it easier and more fun. The Power Ray Wizard PRW10 has VR goggles and uses them for gesture control. The Power Ray has a magnetic bait drop to place the bait. It also has a battery of 4 hours, which makes it a good affordable underwater drone. This is the best for those who want to explore the underwater world. The 230-foot tether has a Wi-Fi signal with sensors in it. The magnetic bait drops and fish hook makes it worth buying. The 450 lumen lights are for clear visibility underwater. This is great for reefs and surface open waters with a 180+ degree view. This makes it appealing to educators, boaters, and commercial pilots. Number 3. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. The Chasing Dory Underwater Drone is a great entry-level drone. This has a battery life of 1 hour and can dive 15 m down, which makes it perfect for any pool party. To locate the buoy, Dory connects GPS Wi-Fi that can stream 720p live video, save 1080p video, or take photos. The internal storage measures 8 GB. The Dory has two 250 lumens LED lights and has 1.6 aperture. The 100-degree field of view ensures that one doesn't miss anything. Dory has a depth lock and an angle lock that fits into the perfect spot. The lightweight and portable drone nature helps you to take it along while traveling. This has sharing abilities that make it perfect for influencers and content creators who love water sports and sea life. This has a tether that is connected to a waterproof Wi-Fi buoy. This helps in easy tracking in the water. This has a length of 49 foot/15 m. The drone is effective and well priced for a beginner. It's compact and easy to transport. Number 4. Tether Titan. The Tether Titan is an incredible drone that has 150 m, 492 feet, that has high-tech ROV and 4K video resolution. The 64GB storage makes it easy to use. It's great for underwater videographers and small salvage operations. This is a bit expensive drone and is agile and can travel at speed of 2 m/s. The drone has underwater hovering, self-balancing, and fixed-depth gliding. This drone has a robust design and 4K UHD recording which helps in capturing underwater footage. The 574 feet dive and 3000 lumen LED light helps in better capturing underwater imaging. The 6 independent multidirectional thrusters for movements help in exploring the movement underwater. The 4K video shots at 30p and 64 GB of footage make Titan deep diver. The Titan has deep diving, an excellent maneuvering, and ROV is useful for underwater exploration, coral reefs, and other fishing activities. Number 5. Genuine Poseidon I Underwater Drone. The compact ROV with a 120m dive rating and 2/4 GHz Wi-Fi buoy, the Poseidon is small enough for an airplane and is great for adventure lovers. The sleek and compact design makes it able to capture photos and videos while scuba diving, fishing, yachting, and snorkeling. The omnidirectional control makes it go into the depths for a long time as it has a 5-hour-long battery life that enables it to scoot through the water at 4 knots. The 4K resolution makes it use a smart white balance feature to balance the quality even at depths, giving clear shots.